In this video, I will be showing you how to withdraw your money from AltSchool Africa's affiliate dashboard. Now, if you don't already know before now, AltSchool Africa has an affiliate program that pretty much gives you some money every time you refer people to enroll at AltSchool Africa to take any of their programs in the school. If you come here, this is where their programs are. You can learn data engineering, data science, and all of that. So they have an end section where you can pretty much make money by referring people to the platform. And I just want to show you how to withdraw your money real quick. This is my referral code and all of that. This is people that have applied. These are successful applications. I'm guessing it's the people who have paid for their enrollment fees and are now taking programs at AltSchool Africa. Now, to withdraw your money from AltSchool Africa, you have to have up to 20,000 Naira or $20. Currently, I have 20,000 Naira. This is from those people who have pretty much enrolled and paid Naira, and $2 from people who have paid with either dollar card or through a dollar platform, I think. If you want to withdraw your money, just click on withdraw my cash, enter the amount you'd like to withdraw. Pretty much in this case, I would like to withdraw 18,000 Naira, and then the bank name, I can pretty much enter my Nigerian bank name here, my bank account number, and bank account name. So I'm going to do that right now. Obviously, I have done this before. As you can see, there's already a bank account number here. And I am going to pretty much use a different one. I don't want to use the current bank account. Say GT Bank or Guarantee Trust Bank, GT Bank, account number 01, bank account name, that would be my name, and then I'm just going to click on submit. Now it says your withdrawal request has been submitted. The last time I did this, I was paid, I think, within 2 weeks. I made a separate video about it, of how I received the payment and all of that. So you might want to check out that video, but that's how to withdraw your money from AltSchool Africa. If you want to access their scholarships, you come to scholarship here, and yeah, that's basically it. Let me know if you have questions. I make videos like this. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you around. Bye.